friends, Alicia from Love Letter Generation. Hope you're all doing well. I am on here with some happy mail from my super sweet friend Tennille. You guys know her as Paper Milkshake. She has sent me her reply happy mail package, and I'm super excited to see what's in there. It came in like a postage bag, and then inside the postage bag was this big giant box and like confetti and sequins and everything just popped out. It's so pretty. And she's even decorated the top with one of her cute little banner embellishments that we recently just made for our challenge. So super cute. So happy to have one of these. It's got some gorgeous flower embellishments on the top there that she has created. So cute. So what we might do is I'll just grab my scissors and let's see what's inside. So it's been quite a while since I've received happy mail from Tennille. She has been extremely busy with work, and but you know, there's no rush ever, because whenever I receive something from Tennille, it's always so beautiful. So the wait is definitely worth it. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, how beautiful is that embellishment on the top there? I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to do it so. There we go. You can see it just there. There's a beautiful like a ruffle sort of trim. Oh, that got a little bit bent. Hold on. Just trying to fix that. Got a little bit ski-whiff in the mail. But that is beautiful. Oh my gosh, so much pretty and pink. There's this beautiful postcard in here. Whoops, hold on, she's got a note on that, so I'll read that off camera. I'm gonna have sequins everywhere, but I do not mind at all. Just makes it more fun. It's like a party in a box. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at this stunning shred. Definitely going to be saving this prettiness here. It's gorgeous. Just pop it off to the side. And what I might do is we might take out some of these packages and just look at one by one. I love this. She uses like an old packaging for this, and then pops her own embellishments in it. Like, she keeps recycling the packaging, which is really pretty. And I love this material that she has like torn and used on the top to create a bow. That is gorgeous. And look at all these sequins. I do believe that's meant to be like that, but I think it's just popped off, that's all. Just for a bit of decoration. All right. Can you guys see this? Wow. I'm going to try and lift it off my desk without knocking anything over. There we go. You guys can see all the fun in there, which I will pull out in a sec. And then you can also see that gorgeous embellishment there that she has made together. So pretty. All right, so the first thing we will do, oops, I just hurt my back, not good. All right, let's have a look at this pretty package, because that's the first thing that I grabbed. I might even take a photo. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think a photo would be nice. All right, give me a sec. Okay. Sorry guys, I just had to take a photo of this before I ruin it, because it is so beautiful. I'll definitely be keeping this. I just love that idea. And this is a really good quality fabric that she's used as well, because I recognise this fabric and designer. It's either, well, actually there's two designers that are very similar in Australia. We've got Kirsten Katz, and we've also got Jocelyn, oh, I can't quite remember now. Proust, Jocelyn Proust. There we go, sorry about that. I completely had a blank, as I always do. All right, so we've got the clear lid. We've got balls everywhere. What's handy about this, when you have like confetti or sequins everywhere that you receive in your Happymail, you can actually purchase this little, it's like a little mini like confetti or sequin vacuum. And I have one from the We Are Memory Keepers brand that my husband gifted to me. I believe it was last year for my birthday. So it's like almost a whole entire year ago now. But yeah, that'll clean up and pick up all your little sequins, and then you can just take them out and reuse them, which is really nice. So there's no wastage. Oh wow, look at this. She has been busy. This is a beautiful sequin shaker star. Love that. I love she's added like all these little like, oh no, that's not attached, hold on. These little like wooden stars. She's got some of the Frank Garcia gems, which are absolutely stunning. I believe they come from the Doucet gem stickers. Cute little couple of charms on there. And she's also used some of the older Maggie Holmes collections, like I believe it is, oh, confetti. And it could also be some of Market Square as well. Not Market Square. Craft Market. I get the two names of the collections mixed up because they both sound so similar. Oh, this looks super cute. I just don't know what's attached. So, I think that one's meant to be separate. They've just, they've all sort of stuck together on with the shred. So she's made a heap of star embellishments. This has another one of those confetti chipboard, like the cake stand, and the candles, which you would have seen in our last challenge that we did. Or I used some of the confetti collection, and I have a feeling that Tennille has as well. We then have this cute one. This would take forever to do all these like shaker embellishments. And I love how she's added like little dangles on each one. Got that gorgeous bird in the background. We just love working with older Maggie Holmes and like crepe paper collections. It's like one of our favorite things. That's why we enjoy doing our challenges, because, oops, we've lost a sticker off something. I'm not too sure which. I'm not sure where this one went. So I do apologise to Neil. I don't know if it's, oh, I'm not sure. Oh, so pretty. Look at all these bits and pieces. That is so cute. Oh, how I've missed touching Tennille's creations. It's been a while. Oh, I love everything she creates. So beautiful. As I'm sure a lot of you out there also admire her project, her work. There's a sequin shaker there. So it's kind of like a cut apart. So I believe, like I said, I'm not sure if that goes there or not, but we'll just put it there for now. So there was a little clip on this, and then you can take, I believe, oh no, it's all attached. Look at that. With a little cut apart underneath. That's so cute. I love how she's added the that snow tulle as well as this beautiful gold sequin trim down the side. It just really makes the project pop. We have this one as well, which again is very similar, only this one's March. She's used some tickets down the side there as well, which I forgot to mention before. Oh, that pretty pink acetate piece behind there gives it that nice pop of colour. Gorgeous little charms. Hope my camera is focusing. And this sequin mix, how stunning is that? So pretty. And then we've got, oh, hold on, I think I found where that chipboard might have come from. I believe it was probably like here. I have a feeling. How cute. That is so pretty. Look at how she's used this big giant acetate piece. Gorgeous. January, February. So I've got January, February, March, April, little like calendars. Very cute. Thank you for that, Tennille. They are beautiful. Let's see if I can get them back in the way that they came. Don't want to wreck anything. All right. So next, these packages. Oh, so many cute things. Don't know where to start. You know, this gorgeous album. I love this. So pretty. How beautiful is this? Love all the rainbow colours. Look at the dangle. Oh, so cute. She's added a little rainbow acetate piece. We've got this pretty flower charm. A little yellow bead, and this that says bright with the sequins stitched on there. That is so cute. And she's done rainbow, and I believe these are using Willow Lane thickers, which I was never able to get actually. So, and I love that it feels like she's used yeah, she's used acetate on the front there. How cool is that idea to use acetate? That's awesome. Just gives it that extra like protection and shine. And then we've got a beautiful little rainbow on the top there. Sorry, I hope the lighting's okay. It is quite gloomy today, being winter. She stitched every page to create like a little just like a little decorated album, I guess. And it looks like she used, oh my gosh, I am completely having a blank. Sweet Story. Oh dear, my mind. It is getting worse. It's like a little embellishment book. That's cute. So I am guessing I can probably take these embellishments off and reuse them. And then I've got myself a little album that I can stick whatever I want in. Or I can just leave it as is, because it's like a beautiful album that Tennille has created. So we'll pop that there. That's so pretty. We then have, oh my gosh, look at this tiny little embellishment. It's a little banner. Like a little mini banner, and she has used all heart. That is so cute. So adorable. And then we have this beautiful little jar here. And I remember, I think this was one of our challenges as well. We had to do like a little, I think it was last year, like little jars of just decorate mini jars. I think the challenge was, I can't quite remember. And inside is a whole heap of beads and charms, cute gummy bears, to dangles. So that is a fun way to gift some little beads and charms. Look at that. It's so pretty. Sorry, I keep bumping my tripod as well. Hopeless. We have this pretty one here. I love how she's used those like wood pieces, like wood embellishments. I recently received some from another fellow Aussie, Tracy, and she sent me some of these little wooden embellishments, so it's good to see them in use. So yeah, give you ideas, inspiration. I love her little clusters on there with the pom-poms and the sequins. And all those colours, they just go so beautifully together. So pretty. Look at all these sequins. Oh, it's very pretty on my desk right now. We have this embellishment here. And again, it looks like she's used some all heart, which is our favourite crepe paper collection. So pretty. And I love that she's also used that, is it like pleather, that glitter pleather from Spotlight? It's really pretty. It's like a vinyl, but it's glittery. And you've got the holographic, and then she's added a couple of her little gorgeous butterflies. And have this here. Oh, it's a little pouch. That is so cute. And I do believe that this was for one of our challenges. We made some gorgeous shaker pouches to stick things in. And it looks like she has used some, oh, just trying to think now where I've seen this chipboard. There's a variety. It's like confetti, I believe. You open it up. She's used gather paper. Oh, how cute. There's a few little bits and pieces in here. We've got this gorgeous little shaker frame. So pretty with that pink like vinyl on the top there. And the touches of gold glitter. And those colours are just stunning. I'm hoping my camera is in focus. We then have this gorgeous little vinyl pouch. It's so teeny tiny, it's cute. And it's got like a little sequin mix in there. Look at how tiny that is. That is a great way though to use up your leftover like smaller pieces that you might have. Got a frame. And then I think these are little like pouches. Oh, sorry, my voice went weird then. Oh, so cute. They're like your little library pocket pouches. Oops. Got some of Tennille's hair. Got this one here. So pretty. Look at all those colours. And inside we have some beautiful sequin trim. And this looks cute. It's like a little glassine bag. And this one has a sequin mix inside. A ticket on top. It's like a pink and white mix. And I think this is the card in here. Yep. And look what she's done there on the top of her library pocket. How she's added that tulle to give it that pretty effect. That's gorgeous. And then that is a really thick, sturdy card that she's made. I think she's like used cardstock to back on it, so it's nice and sturdy. It's very solid. Just being careful not to ruin anything. So cute. I love that. It's adorable. And then we got this one here with the gorgeous gingham, or the gorgeous plaid. So pretty. In here we've got another pretty sequin mix. And the card. Oh, sorry, trying to keep my hands still. They're always shaking. Oh, look at all these pretties. So many pretties on my desk. Or on my craft table, I should say. Let's just pop. I don't know if this is how it went. I can't remember now, but no, I don't think that was right. I think it went something like this. Very cute. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Oh, and I can hear my postie. Just move these off to the side. All right. Oh, super cute. I think this is like a cluster embellishment or like a mini tag flip. Oh, yep, my postie is here. And it looks like we got some Happy Mail. Oh, look at that. I love that. All those colours. How cute is that? That's adorable. She's got a pretty bow, a pink ring. We've got a bell. We've got this cute little sneaker charm, which I think she gets out of some kind of packaging that her girls get and repurposes it. Yeah, I think it's part of like a little kid's toy. And she turns them into charms. It's a bit of pink vinyl, a vellum sequin shaker star. Get the little lollipop back there. Very cute. And then we have an all heart frame. She's used some chipboard pieces in here, and she's, you know, you just peel the sticker off the back, which we can't do anymore with a lot of the newer collections, especially the foam ones. She's all heart. Oh, how cute. That's a little Polaroid embellishments. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry, guys. I am moving everything. And that one. And we've got stitching as well. And I love those pops of pink vinyl. Very cute. What do we got here? Ooh, this looks like it's good vibes mixed with a bit of confetti. Oh, that's cute. I think it's like a little, I think it got a little bit bent, but I believe it's like a cute little file folder type. How cute is that little charm there? So pretty. And that's just like, she's popped that on as a paper clip, so you can take that off and reuse that. It's like a fun little embellishment you can stick onto your, like into your planner or maybe your book. Use it as a bookmark. Oh wow, that's cute. It's like a little like wallet type. So you got your little pockets. Oh, that's adorable. So she has used great paper, good vibes to create this. Isn't that cute? What a great idea. So I can use that to pop little bits and pieces in. That's adorable. And then we have a big, like one of those lolly wrapper embellishments or packaging that has some embellishments and some charms inside. I don't want to open it because I'm going to wreck the gorgeous packaging. And that paper is really pretty as well. Can you guys see that? Beautiful sort of gold glitter paper. And another one of those cute little shoes and a lollipop charm. It reminds me of the new shoes that I just purchased. I should show you guys. They're so pretty. I wasn't planning on buying shoes, but then I saw them and had to have them. All right, give me a sec. I'm actually going to go grab my shoes to share with you. All right, look at these. They are so beautiful. When I saw them, I just had to grab them. So I know it's not crafty related, but look, it's got that beautiful pink, like an AB sort of shine. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to wearing these around. They are so pretty. And the shoes that Tennille just gifted to me reminded me of that. So I just had to share with you just how pretty they are. Yeah, these shoes reminded me of that. They're so cute. Imagine having a pair of shoes like this. It's adorable. So inside I can see a tiny little like heart embellishment, and then there's another one, and it's been made with acetate from the looks of it. Very pretty. And then, oh, look at this. I loved seeing Tennille share this on her YouTube channel. When she created it, I was like, oh, please save one for me. Because it's so pretty. She made these little like flip books, or what would you call them? Traveler's notebook type. And she's done like torn paper and stitching. Again, she's got the beautiful ribbon, and she did a heap of stitching on these. I think we called them pass books from memory. So we'll just carefully open it. I love that gingham material that she has torn off and used as like a beautiful trim. Just being careful. How beautiful is that? All right, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move some things out of the way so it doesn't get too messy here. And then we'll be able to look at that properly. Okay, now we can see that better. Just a little stitched heart on front. Just look at that detail. So pretty. I'm gonna have to move this guy as well because he's creating a shadow. So we'll just pop him there if he wants to stand. And then inside, we got a cute little embellishment. Look at all the stitching on there. She's stitched around all the hearts. Then have this pouch. I think it's an empty, yep, it's an empty pouch. Very cute. And then we've got a sequin shaker. And then we've got another embellishment there, which is just like stuck on for me to take off and reuse. So I can reuse this little book as well for whatever I like. Very pretty. Love that. So thank you for that. And then I think there's one last thing and then that's it. So we have this package here. I absolutely love this wrapping paper. That is so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous with those flowers? It's very retro. Love the colours. We've got pom-poms. We have some more beautiful material. And a beautiful cluster embellishment there, like a starburst. And this one, this feels like a paper pad. Oh, I even love her washi. How cool is that? It's It's like fluorescent yellow with black polka dots. Oops, I'm going to try and save this paper. I like it that much, but we'll see. Oops. I don't know. It's a little bit stuck. And inside, whoops, she has sent some goodies, some wonderful Maggie Holmes goodies. So we have, oh, I never actually got these. This is perfect. So when I bought the round trip collection, I didn't grab these. These are so cute. So these are like the enamel dots for round trip. They're so pretty. I love the gold sparkly ones. Such pretty pastel colours as well. And then she has sent me some parasol puffy stickers. You see how I just forget what things are called. It's unbelievable. So cute. You can use these basically with any Maggie Holmes collection. And she has sent me a round trip 6x8 paper pad. How lovely. Thank you so much for your Happymail to Neil. I love everything that you do. It's all so beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to leave Tennille's link down below so you can go follow her if you don't already. But yeah, you'd be crazy not to. So yeah, hope you all have a wonderful day and take care. Bye.